Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. KitchenAid KSMPRA 3-piece pasta roller. KitchenAid is one of the biggest names in the world of kitchen appliances. So when we were researching this article, we knew we have to check out what they have to offer. The KitchenAid KSMPRA 3-piece pasta roller is probably the best-looking pasta maker on this list. The designers have clearly taken their design inspiration from the 1950s and 60s Italy. This style has become hugely popular in the kitchen industry, and it's a great way to add some color to your cooking space. It's worth noting that this listing is just for the 3-piece pasta roller set. The red machine is a KitchenAid mixer, and the attachments are designed to fit any KitchenAid mixer. The set includes a pasta roller, fettuccine cutter, spaghetti cutter, and a cleaning brush. The pasta roller is designed to roll 6-inch sheets of pasta and has 8 thickness settings to choose from. If you don't already have a KitchenAid mixer to power these attachments, it will start to get pretty expensive. But at least you know you're buying a pasta roller from the country that invented them. No longer settle for pre-packaged pasta when making it fresh is easy and tastes so much better. Powered by the KitchenAid stand mixer, the 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set makes authentic, fresh pasta from scratch quickly and easily. Includes pasta roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter. Made in Italy. For everything you want to make. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. GOURMEX Manual Pasta Maker Machine. When we first picked up the GOURMEX pasta machine, the quality of the materials and craftsmanship was totally apparent. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, every part is put together perfectly and it feels completely solid. It's no surprise GOURMEX provides a lifetime guarantee with the product. It doesn't look like you'll ever have to use it. Plus, it's finished in shimmering red paint and chrome, giving it a classic Italian feel. It comes with a double cutter head that can cut wide fettuccine or narrow spaghetti, and an adjustable thickness dial with 7 different thickness settings. This versatility makes it possible to make pretty much any style of pasta with ease. It secures the countertop with a clamp and has a compact design that's easy to clean and doesn't take up too much space in the cupboard. You may also like some of the best rolling pins from our list, so check them out. This pasta maker machine is made of heavy-duty stainless steel for the highest level of kitchen performance and deliverance. Its high-shine chrome body is constructed to make you feel like master chef in your kitchen. Try it once to see how you'll love creating fresh, delicious, handmade pasta for you and your family. Whether you enjoy your lasagna thick and soft, your angel hair long and thin, or your ravioli even thinner than that, this machine is up to the task. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker. For those short on time and energy, the Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker is the perfect option, especially if you want the highest quality around. As our premium choice, it boasts superb performance and results, while also eliminating most of the stress you get with traditional handmade pasta. As a pasta machine, it mixes the dough automatically and makes a pound of fresh pasta in just 15 minutes, so it's ready for dinner before the kids get home from God knows where. The multiple discs give you the option of variety for pen, fettuccine, spaghetti, and lasagna, while the cleaning tool makes it a breeze to clean up. And that's the only heavy lifting you'll need to do. You'll also get a free cookbook to get you started, and the parts are easy to store in a smart storage drawer. However, some pieces seem a little fragile for the price. So take care. With powerful and fully automatic mixing, kneading, and extruding, the Philips Pasta Maker allows you to make a pound of fresh pasta or noodles with perfect texture in just 15 minutes. Add in nutritious ingredients like egg, spinach, and carrot juice to create healthy and worry-free homemade pasta and noodles for your family. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Fresh and flavorful homemade pasta has never been easier. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. The Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker is one of the most kitchen-friendly options around and is perfect for those lacking space on their countertops. A lack of space shouldn't mean you miss out on fresh pasta, though, and with its space-saving design, you can slot it in comfortably next to your toaster with no issues. It takes 18 minutes to knead and extrude, so it's not the quickest model, and you may also struggle with the cleaning. However, the 3 pasta discs give you plenty of options, even if you can find more variety in cheaper models. It's easy to use and has built-in disk storage to keep everything organized and out of the way. Plus, the transparent dough chamber is fun and almost calming to watch if you're looking to achieve a state of pasta-inspired zen. You may also like some of the best popcorn machines from our list, so check them out. Fresh pasta is just 18 minutes away with the Philips Compact Pasta Maker. Simply add the ingredients and let the machine mix, knead, and extrude it for you. Customize the pasta to your preferred flavor and shape with the included shaping discs. The Compact Pasta Maker was designed with your countertop in mind. Its small footprint is perfect for daily use. Automatically knead and extrude 2-3 servings of fresh pasta in just 18 minutes. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Gourmia Electric PastaMazing Pasta Maker. Our second electric option is the Gourmia Electric PastaMazing Pasta Maker, which boasts a high-powered motor for speedy results and claims it will make the perfect pasta in just 5 minutes. For proper pasta heads, this is fantastic news, but purists may think it's not right to rush these things. If you're in a hurry, though, there are few options better, and while it's electronic, it's not too much more expensive than other manual options. It comes with 6 pasta discs to bring some variety into your meals, and means you can have pasta 6 days a week and save 1 for pizza or something. There is a slight learning curve, and you'll likely have a few trial runs to find the right dough consistency, but once you've mastered it, you're likely to never see friends and family again, because who needs them when you've got fettuccine for days? For more amazing products for your kitchen, check out our guide to the best panini presses. Gourmia GMP 100 for incredible PastaMazing results. Authentic homemade pasta is yours to enjoy. Ever thought homemade pasta was the stuff of dreams? Think again. Gourmia's PastaMazing Pasta Maker provides the ultimate in homemade pasta convenience and quality, giving you faster, superior results at the click of a switch. Enjoy the unparalleled flavorful taste of fresh pasta and beat commercially produced pasta hands down with every PastaMazing bite. Operation Pasta Express now. It's as simple as 1-2-3 to craft your very own pasta. Add flour and water and flip the switch. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.